Assalamu alaikum everyone and hi everyone. Today I will make the new video about Tizzy first two. New thing we will use inside that one. I already covered 2-3 things inside that one. We will go for the further next one. Now we will go for the move. First we will cover these three level in the move. Click level 1 and after that move. In move we teach that to the student nursery class KG and 1 and 2 and play group how you will follow the instruction of the teacher, and when you are going to give the instruction to the computer, how the computer follow. Now I want to eat or that want to eat something from there, right? How it will be go. This green button is using for forward.
To find out what it does. This is the keypad. Click on the arrows to move or turn the caterpillar.
Again this one for printing purpose.
When you want to print your work.
You want to save the work.
Click here when you want to save your work.
This is using
this
for
is the
open button. Previously you save,
you want to find some work
you can open.
Saved.
Using
this
for
is
the
new button.
Okay,
click
now
here when you want to start again.
I want that one. If you want to change this one, okay, you can change. You will click on it. It will change into turtle. Wow, this is using for forward, and this is using for backward. This is using for turn right side. This red color, and this yellow color for the left side. Now I will give the instruction to the worm that you will go forward and then left side, again forward. Now right side and go forward and right side and eat that strawberry. Right, now other strawberry where will go forward, again forward, right side move to right side and forward, no, back, some back and then left side, no, again right side and eat that strawberry. Now we complete that one again. Okay, now we will go for the other one. Now we give the instruction to eat cherry, right? If you want to follow the instruction that one, if you want to play new one, okay, you will save or not. If you want to save, yes, okay. Now you will write here your name and also class. For example, this class is 1T, right? You will save this one. Okay, now new one. Now we will move here left side and move, and cherry, where the cherry, this one right side, no, left side, left, and then we will go for the other and then left side again, left, and it will be just like that. It will be that thing. So we will go out from here and now we will go for level 2nd, level 2, and we press move. After moving, now you can draw something here. Now this is using for the forward, this is using for backward. This green turtle can change the worm and the turtle. This yellow color is using for the left side, and this one turn right side. Right, if you want to turn left side, you will click here, right? Now it will move. Again turn this one left side and it will move. Now again turn left side, it will move. Right, if turn left side, now it will be moved. Okay, left side and it will move. Right side it will be moved. Okay, it will forward and this one backward, move. Again right side and move forward, and if you turn on right side and you move back, you can. Right, now you want to clear that one, you will click on clear Now this one using for home. When you click here, it will be home and clear them. If you pen up, then without drying anything, it will move, right? And okay. If you want to change the color, I want to draw a square forward, okay, and we will go there. First pen down, forward, left, two time forward, left, two time forward, and left, move, and then you can draw something. All right. Now I want to draw 8, number 8, right side, and we will go down two time, and then yes, right side, two time forward. Now if you want to draw the 9, it's okay. Now I draw the number 8. I want to draw 80. 8 is there. Now right side and move forward, and now pen up, pen up, pen up and forward. How many steps? These two steps. Again pen down. Now I want to write here. First we will yes, down, forward, two time, and backward, four time. Now right, no, left side and forward, two time, and then left side, left and go down, right, go down, okay. Now left side, okay, we will turn the right side now, and we draw this one 80. Okay, now I want to draw pen down there, pen up and forward, it is 80. Okay, now this is using for different puzzle. There are different type of shape you can easily design. You can change the color also, you can change the color. And now I will go there, and any background you can choose and you will make. Alright, I will choose this one background, and let's see forward, not writing, then pen down, you will see backward, forward, okay, I turn that one right side and forward. After that I want to change the color, and that one it's okay. Now go move, and this one touch that one ball or balloon, then you will change the color. Okay, now change the color and turn right side or left side which you want, and change the color. Right, now again this one and little bit right side, yes. Now we change the color in green. Now this is very interesting for the junior level. They will work and they will enjoy, the learner will be enjoy that one. Okay, again left side, okay. Now we will change the color and forward, right. Now again this one color and little bit left, little bit right. Okay, now forward, okay, now left and change the color in yellow, and now blue and forward. Now reach that one. Okay, if you want to save the work, you can save from here. Okay, now we are going for level 3. Now level 3 is one step higher than that one level. When we move, click on move. Now these are blank things. Now this is, yes, you can change that one in different kind of turtle, aeroplane which you want. I will change the turtle. We'll go there and we'll find out the turtle. Okay, now this is one using for move forward, backward, right, left. This one using for you will
Click on one of the buttons with my wand to find out. This is the turtle button. Click here to choose a different object to move around the screen. This is the backgrounds button. Click here when you want to use a background. This is the print button. Click here when you want to print your. This is the save button. Click here when you want to save your work. This is the open button. Click here when you want to find some work. This is the new button. Click here when you want to start again. Click on one of the buttons with my wand to find. Click on one of the buttons with my wand to find out what it does.
Okay, now.
This is the keypad. This is the keypad.
Now we will go there and we will perform. We will click here forward, it will be written there how much? 50. We give the instruction 50, it will forward 50, right? Then turn right side or left side? Right side, how much? 90 degree. Next teacher teach you that degree, right? Okay, we will change the color also. Click, okay, again forward, how much? 50, but color will be yellow. Let's see, yes, yellow. Again we will turn right side, how much? 90 degree, and color will be this one, and forward 50. We click on 50. Okay, now, okay, then again right side 90, and how much? Forward again 50. Right here 50, or click here 50, and color will change in this one. Okay, now you can draw different type of thing from it, right? I will select this one for clear, and now this one, right? Now again we will go for clear. Okay, go back and pen up, how much? 20. Okay, now pen down, and you can change the forward it, how much? For the 20. You will forward it. A different type of shape you can design from it. It is very easy. When you practice on it, you can the student will be expert inside that one, and also you also. Okay, now we will click here. Now this one, if you click here, now how that one is a puzzle, how the turtle will come there. Okay, we will go forward. Okay, subscribe my channel and also give some comments on it, and press the bell icon, then a new video will come automatically to you, and subscribe my channel. Okay, now we write here, for example, 50. Let's see. Okay, backward little bit back for 5 step. Okay, now turn left side, how much? 90 degree. Okay, after that we will forward that one, how much? 70. Let's see. Again forward, how much? Only 10. 10 is enough. Let's see. No, again forward 5. Forward 5. Okay, now turn right side, how much? 90. Okay, now forward, how much? 30. Okay, now left side 90, and forward how many? Only 15. Let's see. Ooh. Forward only 3 times, 3 step. Yes, it's enough. Then turn right or left side. Now we will go for left side 90, and let's see, and forward how much? Only 25. It's okay. Now let's see. Okay, let's only 3 step forward more, and then turn right side on 90. Very interesting game. 90. Again forward, how much? 35, let's see. Okay, 33, I click this one, 33. Forward again 10. Forward 10. Okay, now it will be forward 10 and forward 5 only. We then turn the left 90. Return 90, not 99, 90 only. Okay, we will forward how much only? Let's see 10. Oh yes, left 90 again. Left 90. Okay, now forward 10. Okay, again forward 10. Okay, now again right 90 and then only 90, not 900. Okay, now forward 20. Okay, again we reach to destination now. Yes, left 90. Again left 90, no, right 90, not left 90, right 90. Again right 90. Okay, now forward only 3 step, it will be complete the puzzle. Okay, we complete that one. Okay, now like my channel and also subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Now video will become automatically a new video, and also share this with your friend and family member, take help from it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Okay, how you will close this one? Click here. No, don't save this one. And click here. And yes. Now we will close this one. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take